Hey, so if you're getting sound delay or no audio at all in LDPlayer, yeah, that can ruin the whole experience. But don't worry, I'll show you some quick fixes that usually solve it. Alright, first, make sure your system volume is up and the correct output device is selected. Sometimes it's just playing through the wrong speaker or headset. Next, restart LDPlayer. Yeah, simple, but it can fix temporary audio glitches instantly. Now open LDPlayer settings and go to audio settings if available. Make sure sound is enabled and not muted inside the emulator. Okay, so outdated audio drivers can cause delay or no sound. Go to Device Manager and update your sound drivers. Also, try adjusting CPU and RAM allocation in LDPlayer settings. Low resources can sometimes cause audio lag. If you're using other apps like voice chat, screen recorders, or audio tools, try closing them. They can interfere with LDPlayer's sound. If the issue continues, change your default audio device in Windows and switch it back. This refreshes the audio connection. And yeah, last option, update LDPlayer or reinstall it completely. That usually fixes deeper audio bugs. So yeah, those are the best fixes for sound delay or no audio in LDPlayer. Try them step by step and your audio should be back to normal.